you're calling me out, and I can't explain it. You're calling me out. I'm not to blame. Don't call me out, and I can't explain it. You're calling me out. Let's go to the point, yeah. Did I disappoint, yeah? I wish this was a dream, but for now you put the blame on me. And I don't really know what we're fighting for, but right now it doesn't matter though. Still you put the blame on me. I know we're not the same, but you're calling me out, and I can't explain it. You're calling me out. I'm not to blame. Don't call me out, and I can't explain it. You're calling me out. Sometimes you know you just gotta let things go. Sometimes you know you just gotta let things go. Right or wrong, I'm moving on. This one's to show that sometimes you know you just gotta let things go. to leave. She said it never felt so right. As the time went by, I was off in the night. She said I don't cry, tonight I cried twice. The thought of you not by my side, and I find with you I'm the emotional type. Hold on to me, we can hold on for life. Well, tell me how you feel when I say this. Our destination is placeless. I never understood what it meant when I said the three words that some people dread. That's a about as real as it gets. I never hold back on my love and intent. I finally figured out what it meant. Now there's a spark in my heart times 10. Every day, 8 days a week was a song that I play. 8 times for me and 8 times for the sake. 8 times for love and 8 times for the way that I can remember those days. You and every minute wasn't all so strange. See you in the spring when the patience pays. I'm struggling but hustling and loving it always. I wrote to her 85 times, sometimes for her but sometimes for mine. Simple collection of lines, sometimes to find the way up in a rhyme. I woke up one morning to find it was her first name on a billboard sign. I smiled and said, damn, what a trip. It was just yesterday I had a kiss for her lips. Usually I don't make much of this. Signs are signs, it doesn't change it a bit. I choose to stay calm in my sleep, seeing the prize on April 19th. That was then, now it's down to a week. The longest 7 days of my life, so to speak. Last sip of my tea, so sweet. In my head there's the girl I've been dying to see. So every day, 8 days a week was a song that I play. 8 times for me and 8 times for the sake. 8 times for love and 8 times for the way that I can remember those days. You and every minute wasn't all so strange. See you in the spring when the patience pays. I'm struggling but hustling, man, loving it always.
This is Jason Cooley with Cooley Road Trips. I would like to thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please smash that like button and consider subscribing to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.